So let's talk about the more one step down to the um, value and dividend ETFs uh, things, but it's more go deeper, and then we're gonna see the top tens of the value and dividend ETFs. So that's for the 2021, which means next year coming soon. And then for your information, so that means in the stock style we're talking about the valuation is the here, right, value and blend and growth, so this side the value, and then market cap is top 10 list of the each ETF, means the large usually. So it's gonna be around this part we're talking about that. So once again, this one is come based on this article. This means the growth stocks outperformed the last 10 years, but now it's time to move value and dividend stocks. So um, the base theory is the nominal GDP in 2020 was below 4% growth, but from the 2021, more highly percentage, we're gonna see the nominal GDP growth over 4%. So that's why growth to the value is the in this time the zero, but the value I told you, value and dividends, they have a dividend, right? So that's the why here. So today I'm talking about the ETF related to this part. And this one is I just picked up the one article, but actually the lots of other experts are talking about the same things. And the other one is like institutional investors, for example, Warren Buffett or Ray Dalio. They already started this kind of investment um, uh, from the third quarter of the 2020, because it's showing that there are 13 app released those informations. So 2021, this kind of the one of a trend. So first one is the value stocks. So that ticker is a VLVU, the executive value stocks that they have 155 stocks, and then top 10 is 35%. The other one is Dow Jones. The the most this one is more like valuation and large cap. Valuation is about blend, and then the market cap is large. And top 10 is 52%, and they have 31 stocks. And SPY, SPY is the S&P 500. Among them is value stocks. So the top 10 is 20%, and then they have 388 stocks. So which means that when you think about S&P 500, the value stocks is the 388. That means the another 100 what's it 12 stocks gonna be the uh, growth stocks. So it's the last 10 years growth stocks, which means 112 stocks gonna be more return than the value stocks. But 2021, the value stocks more going up, right? Which means that these stocks, and then the top 10 is 20%. And the last one is the quality stocks. Quality stocks means the value and growth kind of mixing together. So it's kind of blend location like Dow Jones. And then they have 129 stocks, and the top 10 is 31%. So you can see the individual stocks by stop pausing this video, and just personally I pick up my favorite. So the AT&T it gonna growing up this year because they before was the communication company, which means the cell phone company, or uh, what to say, uh, phone service company, right? Or cable company. But now they have HBO and CNN, so they're more streaming company. And then, as you know, the Wonder Woman 1984 come out and in HBO. That's sort of like Disney. They become more valuated um, as a streaming company. Then the price going up more. Okay, and the here is the GM. So it's the well, the GM they produce more EV, then they're gonna be have more making more money, right? And then Target and Walmart, they're always good. And AbbVie, that pharmaceutical company, that's good. I think Pfizer recently they make a vaccine, but I prefer the AbbVie more. And United Healthcare, um, that the insurance company um, under the democratic government, they have more benefit, I think. Home Depot, always the people go to Home Depot. And this one is Amgen is a biotech. So it kind of more little bit more focused on growth, but it's a very stable conditions. And the McDonald's always good. People go to McDonald's even though the pandemic conditions. And Microsoft's good. And Boeing's recently, that they can produce 373 Max the airplane. So the Boeing gonna be go up again. Visa gonna be come back when people spend more money. Honeywell they produce a lot, and then industrial sectors. And Verizon here is always good, and pharmaceutical company Johnson & Johnson is always a good company. But bank, the when you're more thinking about dividend. But Warren Buffett like the Bank of America, and he holding a lot of Bank of America and long time. So which means kind of stable, and then the dividend is promised. And the Walmart here, JP Morgan Chase here, but too much bank company. So I thinking the Bank of America is good enough for me. And Apple's good, and people keep drinking Coca-Cola, and then BJ Mist, the same kind. People like Nike, and Facebook. They recently antitrust issue, so they not growing like the previous way. But anyway, keep growing, so it's okay. And Booking Holdings, people not traveling, but anyway, after vaccine, people are traveling again. Okay, and BlackRock I like it because BlackRock they selling the ETF, and people sell more ETF instead of individual stocks because it's safer, and then the kind of more promised return. So those are my personal pick among the value stocks. So either you can pick up their individual stocks from their top 10s, or you can pick up them itself. Next thing is about the dividend sector. So to the executive dividend one, and the novel is they include the most companies from like they pay more longer time. And SPHD means this ETF is the high dividends with low volatility. That's the one. And then PKW is the group of stocks do more buybacks. So the DVY, they have 104 stocks, and then top 10 is 19%. Novel, 66 stocks, and then I think over 25 years they keep increase the dividend. That's the group, right? So it's not much in numbers here. And then top 10 is 17%. SPHD 50 stocks, and then top 10 is 27%. PKW 241 companies, and top 10 is 42%. So the in among the top 10, of course, this one you can pause this video and take a picture. And so in the top 10 list, if I pick up, I think international paper gonna be good company because the people order online and then everything packed by the paper. So which means that that company is good. And let me see, the petroleum is good, but I don't want to put too much money in the oil sector. But it's when you think about dividends, that's still good. Of course, the Altria and then Philips, the smoking companies, kind of safe things. But I prefer more LB, like this one is dividend and value, right? And then among the oil sectors, maybe Chevron is I think in kind of the dividend safe dividends and a little bit growth I can expect. And then ADP, automatic data processing, that is just a good company. And Alpha is insurance, always talking about the recession overcome company. And Raytheon is the defense sectors. And okay, and then what else? What I like it here, UL, the like Yankee Candle, that's also good things. And the bank sections here, and Apple here. Okay, so Amgen here, right? So Apple's like more. Eli Lilly is a good pharmaceutical company too. So Chart Communication, that's good. So those are things my personal preparing stocks. So once again, you can pick up like me some individual stocks, or you can invest in ETF itself. Love once more. Thank you twice.